Orbit is an agentic workflow platform for small and medium businesses. The idea is simple. Most growing companies cannot hire full marketing team, HR, finance, strategy, and operation teams all at once. So instead of hiring five different people before you are ready, Orbit gives you an AI office. You create managers, sub-agents, give them context about your company, and they can work through real tasks with memory and objective. This is the company context page where Orbit stores the basic company information, their name, website, LinkedIn, and what the company does. This is the company rules and goals. And this is where company can add their asset like company profile, brand identity, and internal policy. Now we move to the agent page where we have Scott, the marketing manager, and Nova, who's the sub agent. Also, here you can see the agent's operating mode, capabilities, memory access, and what model are they using. You can also add more sub agents and you can choose their name and what model so the office can grow with the company. Now, this is the work order page. This is where you give the manager a real task and you define the objective, the output you want, and the level of autonomy. Here's the live agent trace where you can see what's running, what is waiting, and you can add more queues while tasks are active. Now we come to consulting mode. Here you can talk directly to the manager about what has been done and what should be the next step. So it turns the system into working partner, not just content generator. Finally, the output page. Orbit has created 7-day marketing growth strategy with LinkedIn post, Instagram content, and email draft. For image, right now we are using GPT Image 1, but the final version is designed for GPT Image 2 for hyper realistic brand assets.